guys, Mike with Lakeshore RV. I'm here with the Flagstaff E-Pro 19 FBS. Starting price comes in at about $28,988, or you could be looking at about $234 a month. Reach out to me, call or text. I'd love to hear from you. I'm at 231-215-2750. We're at the store, 231-788-2040, and our website's always open, lakeshore-rv.com. Let's go check this thing out. All right, guys, 19-foot camper, but it has all of the amenities. Big 21-inch oven, 3-burner stovetop, nice queen-size bed up front, 12-volt smart TV. We have a jackknife sofa here with a table that's optional, so you can eat inside. Plenty of counter space for a smaller camper. We do have the fridge in the rear, microwave, 6 cubic foot fridge. All right, this little bugger comes in at about 3,375 pounds. It's about 20 feet, 2 inches long. That's tongue to bumper. Call me, text me, 231-215-2750. Call us at the store, 231-788-2040. Or check us out on the website, lakeshore-rv.com. Thank you so much.